Hey enthusiasts, welcome back to Evergreen Tech Tips, where we simplify technology for you. Today we're diving into Cloudflare's free plan, an easy way to boost your website's speed, security, and overall performance. So if you want a faster loading site, improved DDoS protection, and a CDN that works globally, stick around. Cloudflare is a content delivery network, CDN, that helps websites load faster by caching content on multiple servers worldwide. It also provides security benefits like DDoS protection and an SSL certificate, all for free. All right, let's get started. Go to cloudflare.com, click Sign Up and enter your email and password. Add your website's domain, and click Continue. Now Cloudflare will provide you with new name servers. You need to replace your current name servers in your domain provider's settings. For example, if your domain is with Namecheap, go to your DNS settings, remove the old name servers, and add the ones Cloudflare provides. This process may take a few minutes to propagate. Once your domain is connected, let's configure some essential settings. Enable automatic HTTPS rewrites. Make sure your site loads securely. Turn on Brotli compression. Helps your site load faster. Cache settings. Set standard for most websites. Now let's test the changes. Go to your website and check if the SSL certificate is active. Run a speed test on GTmetrix or Google PageSpeed Insights to see performance improvements. Use Cloudflare's analytics to monitor traffic and security threats. And that's it. Your website is now optimized with Cloudflare's free plan. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.